Hello guys, it's all simply done here, and today we're going to be showing you how we did our back garden, how we put the floor decking down. It's the product from IKEA. It's called MALLSTEN and comprises 9 top parts and 9 bottom parts, and it is designed for outdoors. The name of the product is MALLSTEN. The floor decking is made of durable and weatherproof porcelain top with a lasting plastic bottom part. For the decking, let's just try pronounce it, MALLSTEN, and as you can see, 0.81 of a square meter or 9 square feet. We've chosen on top of the UPVC decking, which in our case it's a proper tile. As you can see, it's really heavy and it's about 22 kilograms each pack. So anyway, so again, same size. There'll be instruction there somewhere, but it shouldn't be very difficult. As you can see on the quick steps, the base goes first. Looks like it's click connections. Let's take you outside, and as you can see, we already jet washed our back garden, removed all the patio furniture, so we've got a clear space to work on. And this is where we're going to put those IKEA decking. There is plenty information on IKEA website or on IKEA application. You can find useful information, instruction guides, how to put those decking down, how to maintain them, and also the information very practical, such as where to put the decking down and where you should avoid it. So the floor decking should only be placed on the level and the hard surfaces such as concrete, stone and wood. There's a risk that the top part, porcelain, will crack if they're placed on uneven surfaces. MALLSTEN floor decking cannot be cut. If you need a place floor decking around the corners, you can use a different product called runner floor decking and cut it to the perfect fit. The outdoor floor decking has been tested for home use and meets all the requirements and durability for safety. This product may be combined with a MALLSTEN and runner floor decking, is in different colors and different materials and in different patterns, the top bit. The MALLSTEN comprises 9 top parts and 9 bottom parts. And you just seen me there connecting the bottom parts together. It's only a click connection as I was expected, and it's really easy and straightforward, and the tile just sits inside the bottom part. There is a groove around it, so the tile only moves very little. It's like maybe a millimeter, and this is it.